my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am here with another unboxing for EveryPlate. Now, if you're not familiar, EveryPlate is a meal delivery service. Complete meals, everything you need. Well, except maybe butter, olive oil, maybe a tablespoon or two of flour, salt and pepper, just those kind of small things we will need to provide. Now, what my husband and I do is we get 5 meals per week at 2 servings each. You can change that to 4 servings if you like. They have meals from 2 meals per week all the way up to 5 meals per week. Either 2 servings or 4 servings. And all of that depends on how much it's going to be. Now, again, we do 5 meals per week, 2 servings each, and that runs about $63 a week. Now, you can add things. You can add a protein to a vegetable dish. You can change the proteins. Sometimes they offer different vegetable choices. So it really is versatile and it's very easy. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me this week. Well, of course I know what they sent me this week because I pick my meals. Now, if you are interested in trying EveryPlate for yourself, I do have a coupon for $40 off, or it's 3 meals, 2 servings is a $40 value. So if you're interested in that, just let me know in the comments down below and I will go ahead and send you a code so that you can try EveryPlate for yourself. And you can cancel anytime. There's no commitment, no long-term commitment or anything like that. So right on top are my cards. And let's see, this time we chose Tuscan herb chicken linguine, Kung Pao beef bowls, caramelized zucchini linguine. See, now in here this is a vegetable dish and you can add a protein if you like. You can pick one of theirs or you can provide your own. And then we have creamy pork orzado. That looks good. And then we have sweet and tangy cherry meatballs. Now here are all of the ingredients that they supply for the meal. And then here's what you'll need. So for this meal, you'll need salt and pepper, butter, ketchup, and cooking oil. That's it. So let's go ahead and dig into the box. So when you open the box, you'll see like a NASA cooling bag. That's what they call them, right? NASA bags. And then inside is a tray. Here we go. There's your tray. And then underneath that are these ice packs. And then you will find your proteins underneath there. So here's what the ground beef looks like. I've got 2 of those. I have a ground pork. And some chicken breasts. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put those right back down in there for right now. Now in the tray is where you will find all of your other ingredients. I imagine that this is parsley or cilantro, which I will eliminate because I'm allergic to this. I cannot have anything from the parsley family, and I'm glad that it's in a bag. It's easy for me to deal with. We have scallions, zucchini. Now you're also going to notice this. It's like, wait a minute, I thought you were unboxing EveryPlate. Well, I am. EveryPlate is a division of HelloFresh. It's the cheaper division. The menu isn't as extensive. More zucchini. Oh, more zucchini. We've got green peppers. They send all the little packets of sour cream, tomato paste, cream cheese, cherry jam. They send, this is veggie stock, soy sauce. So they send all of those things. And if you need like only half a tomato, they'll send you the whole thing. Same thing with garlic. As you can see, I have a lot of garlic right now because if you only need 2 cloves, they send you the whole bulb. So that's kind of cool. The bread for the meatballs. 1 slice of bread. Oh, we even have some nuts here. That's probably for the kung pao. Season packets, and they're all labeled very well. Italian seasoning. This is, let me see. A trick to these is if you can't see, like you can't read what's on there, but if you do this and look at it through a light, oh, look at that. It's sweet soy sauce glaze, sweet soy glaze. So you look at it through a light and you'll be able to see it. We have rice, more garlic, a shallot, lemons, pasta, orzo. Oh, look at even a chunk of ginger. So, cheese, lemons, chicken stock, potatoes. So that is everything I need to make 5 meals. We do recommend the service. The instructions, I have to say that the recipe cards, the way the recipe is written is not that of a standard recipe. So that's a little odd the way they write it, but it's just a little different the way they write it, I think. And, but you know, they're not that hard to follow. They only take about 30 minutes to make. So, I mean, we always have something on the menu. So there's no guessing, and we really enjoy that. And on that note, I am very glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.